We are officially in Brooklyn. We out here. So this is like the entrance right there where I came in. The living room, kitchen over there. We got the bathroom. It's pretty nice. I got some cool stuff going. Hey, and then cool. And then we got all these weird, like this weird hallway. We got one bedroom right here. This door's locked. I don't know what's going on with it. So hopefully no crazy shit. We got this room right here, which is another one, and then this one back here, which I think I might stay in. It's like the king size. The only downside is you hear everything because there's a locked door back here. That's for emergencies only. So I just hear everything. So I'm like, this one has the TV though. I don't know. So we'll see. Right here, we're doing it. How do we do it? Like that? Like, there we go. Oh, yeah. So we made it to day two, night two. I don't know however we want to count it, but travel day was yesterday. Today is the first day in NYC. We're in Brooklyn right now at the Airbnb. It's a cool old place. Definitely a nice little change of the routine, a different vibe, a different experience, which is really cool. But yeah, it's been fun. It's been cool. Got set up at the NY Anime Expo, so we have our booth ready to rock and roll for the next 2 days, which is why I'm actually here from New York. I'm here for work. And so yeah, there's a booth out there ready to rock and roll. We got it all set up today. It's looking killer. And then tomorrow we'll be back there. And then I fly home the next day. But today it was cool. We set up. I got to go walk around, got some Shake Shack. I saw White Castle, which I'm definitely hitting up tomorrow. If I can. My knee is a little messed up right now. My knee's kind of not too happy with all the walking I did. But yeah, hopefully get to see White Castle and try it for real in person, not the freezer bullshit, which I'm used to having. But no, it's cool seeing the lights, getting to see some of the tourist areas, and like just getting to see Times Square. It's just it's a cool experience. But yeah, so hopefully the rest of this vlog comes together, and much love. Thank you for watching so far, and I hope the rest of it is cool. Well, it's officially the end of the time here for me in New York, so I'll be heading back home tomorrow. But it was a good time. I definitely wasn't ready to walk as much as I did. I actually have my knee problem, so I actually had to stay home today, and my Airbnb at least, and just hang out. But yeah, so it was a good time out here. We're still in Brooklyn, but we're flying back tomorrow, so Yeah, if you have a chance to come out to Bushwick, I definitely recommend it. It's definitely a interesting experience, some great food, and just some great scenes and views to look at. So a lot of art, a lot of cool stuff happening, and probably some of the best tacos I've ever had in my life are here. So yeah, definitely some great food, some good stuff. Definitely recommend checking it out if you ever come down this way. So see you guys soon on camera again soon, hopefully, probably tomorrow morning before I leave. All right.